Om Swastiastu. Good morning, everybody. That's I Nyoman Artawa. That's executive chef from the Kayon Resort Kepitu Restaurant. Today that's I will be cook very popular food in Bali. That's we call that's satay lilit and pepes ikan. That's its mean is pepes ikan. Its mean is fish cake wrapped in banana leaf. So that's before we start the cooking. That's for today. That's I will be explain the ingredient that we use for our cooking for today. That's we have shallots, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, turmeric. That's red chili. That's sweet ginger and ginger also. That's we use the touch ginger for the flavor. So now that we start to cut it, the ingredient that's starting from the salad first. That we continue with the garlic, and also that we cut with a small piece of size. This is turmeric and small piece of galangal. We need to chop a little bit. That's all ingredient that's in one place already, and then we start to saute with oil a little bit, and then we start to put in some oil. It's around 5 or 6 spoons. So we put in some oil. Then we finish already. That's the first round that we saute all ingredient, and then we start to put in the mortar. We have finished already to mix the paste, and then this paste that's very popular in Bali. That's we call that's basal gede. It's basal gede. That's you can use that's for everything. That is we call the magic spice, and also that's we can use for the pork, for the fish, meat or poultry. We can use everything for this paste. And this is minced chicken. That's better. You can use the leg, because the leg is more juicy than the breast. The spices, 2 spoons of veg, and now that we start to mix the minced chicken with the spices, and now that we start to put in the minced chicken that's on the top of the lemongrass. We can use the white part only. This is almost same like kebab. Okay, that's we continue with the second dish. That's we mix the pepes ikan. That's his mean is fish wrapped in banana leaf. That's the fish that's especially that's for decision that we use the sea bass, because the sea bass is very soft and tender fish. It's still the same that we use the paste inside of this. That's why we are called this the magic spices. And we start to mix all together. So that's we ready to start to put the satay on the grill now. It's one by one. Peppers. Don't forget to put in some crispy shallot. And then we finish already. That's our cooking class for today. This is satay leaded a la Kapito restaurant, and this is pepes ikan a la Kapito restaurant with sambal mata. Thank you.